How to fix TurboTax error 42015. Here are some tips that would help fix TurboTax error 42015. 1. Disable the Use a Proxy server for your LAN checkbox in IE settings, and update TurboTax again. 2. Download a manual update. Google manually update TurboTax for Windows software, Basic, Deluxe, Premier, Home and Business. 3. Perform clean boot, then disable or remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, the conflicting programs on your computer. 4. Review TurboTax for Windows system requirements, and install the right Visual C++ runtime libraries. 5. Remove, reinstall then update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.